Hey everyone, as I'm sure you've guessed by now, you can use R to analyze data in Excel files or text files or a whole variety of other files. You don't have to just use pre-populated data in R. If you'd like to do your final report based in R, then you're going to need to connect an Excel file to R. To do that, the first thing you need to do is install the right package. In this case, you're going to be looking for a package called readxl. Now, this is already installed on my computer, but it may take a few seconds to download on your computer. Once that's installed, you want to call the library. So this is going to be library readxl. Now I'm running a package that's going to allow me to read in Excel data. I'm going to need to call my data something, because right now the only way R would understand it is if I tell it the address of the data on my computer. I don't want to type that long thing out every time I want to use my data. So I need to give it something short and sweet, like my data. Once I've chosen my data name, then I'm going to use this little arrow, which essentially means I'm assigning something. So whatever follows this arrow is going to be what R understands as my data throughout the rest of this program. I'm going to use the command read XLSX because the data set that you will be using for the assignment is an XLSX file. Now I need to tell R what the name of that data file is. I'm going to put this in quotation marks so that R knows this is an address on my computer, string data. The quickest way to find an address like this is to go to your information section of Excel and simply copy the path. Once I do that, I can paste it and read in my data. Uh-oh, I have an error message. What's this? ./u used without hex digits and character string starting C:\u. Well, that makes no sense, does it? What this means is that depending on which version of R you're using, because R is updating all the time, every so often, it has trouble understanding what these characters mean together right here. To fix this problem, if you run into it, simply add an additional backslash as needed throughout your address. Then rerun. See, now I have my data to access. And I can use it, call it, analyze it, work with it in ggplots, just like I did all the data that we used in stock earlier in the semester. Let me know if you have any questions.